These oven-loaded barbecue bacon ranch fries might completely ruin takeaway fries for you. You only need frozen fries, crispy bacon, mozzarella, cheddar, barbecue sauce, and ranch dressing. Spread the fries onto a baking tray. Then bake until golden and crispy. While the fries cook, fry the bacon until crispy. This adds the smoky, salty flavor that makes loaded fries addictive. Pile the cheese over the hot fries. Add the crispy bacon, then drizzle barbecue sauce across the top. Bake again just until the cheese melts into everything. This is the kind of comfort food people order at midnight, except this version is cheaper, crispier, and ridiculously easy to make. If you love easy comfort food recipes, subscribe. Full recipe on the blog.